Okay, so go to margin. Okay, so we took trades. We took only dot trade. We did not take POL trade. So we made profits from the dot trade and the only dot trade. So right now we're going to click on repay. Click on repay. So remove the profits.
Where is it? Okay.
Yeah. Click on repay, that green one that is covered. All, click on all. Repay. Then go back to your account. Okay, so I can remember that when we started this account, we started with, I think, how many dollars again? Remind me.
Okay, it's $108.
Okay, 108.
And
now it is in 136.
yeah.
So let's go to the calculator. Let us do 108 minus 136. Let's know how much profit we'll withdraw.
As you go to calculate.
Yes, go to calculator.
What that?
136.
I'm now on the calculator.
136.
136. Okay.
Yes. Minus 108.
Minus 108.
Okay. So we're going to withdraw $28 profit.